Building Information Modeling, BIM, is a digital process that involves creating and managing a 3D representation of a building's physical and functional characteristics. It is used in the architecture, engineering, construction, and operations (AECO) industries to improve the design, construction, and management of buildings and infrastructure projects. BIM goes beyond traditional 2D drawings and blueprints by creating a detailed, digital model that encompasses not only the physical geometry of a structure but also information about its components, materials, and behavior. BIM software allows users to create 3D models of buildings and infrastructure projects. These models are more comprehensive than traditional 2D drawings and represent the physical and spatial aspects of the project. BIM models incorporate a wide range of data, including architectural, structural, and mechanical information. This data can include details about materials, quantities, costs, and maintenance requirements. BIM promotes collaboration among various stakeholders in a construction project, including architects, engineers, contractors, and facility managers. They can work together on a shared BIM model, reducing errors and improving communication. BIM models offer realistic visualizations of the project, helping stakeholders better understand the design and its implications. BIM software often includes tools for analyzing different aspects of the project, such as energy efficiency, structural integrity, and clash detection, identifying conflicts in the design before construction begins. BIM can be used throughout the entire lifecycle of a building or infrastructure project, from initial design and construction to operation and maintenance. This helps with facilities management and renovation projects. BIM models can be used to estimate construction costs more accurately, as they contain detailed information about materials and quantities. BIM can support sustainable design and construction practices by providing data for energy analysis, environmental impact assessments, and resource optimization. For more details, visit us at www.winnerdesignSolutions.in.